I was 5 years when I had started trying to cook, gardening, stuff like that.
Yeah.
And my mom used to encourage me. I used to see her doing it and I would admire. So I always used to try doing it until I perfected it.
You perfected it.
Yes.
What's your best meal that you cook at Naremuta?
My best meal to cook um, is boiled beef plus jacket matoke. That's my best.
What is jacket matoke?
It's matoke boiled without peeling.
Okay, it's called. Yeah, it's my first time to know it in English. For those who speak Ruganda, it's I think in Pogola, isn't it?
Yes,
Yeah. So it's jacket.
matoke.
Jacket matoke is your best meal, but everybody can cook jacket matoke. You drop it in water and then boil. What's special about that?
Nothing much,
Yeah,
but it's also quite fun.
it's quite fun. It's wonderful. Could you take us about tell us through the process of making boiled meat? So if you choose to boil meat for that person that wants and loves boiled meat, what would be the simple process that you make sure that you want to produce that good boiled meat?
It's quite long but not hard.
Tell us. Take us through.
You first cut the meat into pieces,
Yeah,
put it in the saucepan, pour water,
yeah,
put it on fire to be boiling as you're cutting vegetables.
yeah,
Put the vegetables, cover for some 10 minutes,
yeah,
put the spices, let it boil for some more time,
yeah.
and then reduce the fire so that it can simmer,
Okay.
and then after you serve.
Wow. You didn't tell us about putting salt. Did you
The
forget that
salt
process?
part is in between the spices.